Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to import an MBOX file into Microsoft Outlook. But here's the catch, Microsoft Outlook doesn't support MBOX files directly. So how do we get around this? That's right, you cannot just drag and drop an MBOX file into Outlook. But don't worry, there's a simple and effective way to do this, by converting the MBOX file into Outlook PST. And for that, I recommend using SysTools MBOX to Outlook PST converter, a reliable tool that makes this process quick and hassle-free. First, go to the SysTools website, download the MBOX to Outlook PST converter, and install it on your system. The installation is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch the software and click on Add File to select the MBOX file you want to convert. You can add a single file or multiple MBOX files at once. The software will scan and preview all emails before conversion, so you can check everything before proceeding. Now, click on Export and select PST as the output format. You also have the option to split large PST files if needed. Use the Mail Status Filter to export only read, unread, or both types of emails, applicable for Thunderbird, Netscape Mail, SeaMonkey, and Spicebird clients. To export specific date range data, use the Date Range option. Select a location to save the PST file. Hit the Export. In just a few moments, your MBOX file will be successfully converted to PST format. Now, let's import this PST file into Outlook. Open Outlook, go to File, Open and Export, Import Export. Select Import from another program or file. Then choose Outlook Data File, .pst. Browse to the converted PST file, select it, and click Finish. And just like that, all your emails from the MBOX file are now accessible in Outlook. So there you have it. Converting and importing an MBOX file into Outlook is easy with SysTools MBOX to Outlook PST converter. Check out the link in the description to download SysTools MBOX to Outlook PST converter. Also, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.